Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Exodus Wallet for beginners. So let's get started. So first of all, before we get started with the app, you want to make sure first that you have installed your app from the App Store if you're in iOS or Play Store if you're in Android. In this way, you would avoid getting scammed. And now that we are here, we'll now do a quick run through on the features here in Exodus so that you would know how to use it. So the first one is the wallet button right here. As you can see at the bottom, you have 4 icons. So the first one is the wallet one. And from here, you can see all of the cryptocurrency that you have, and you have the receive and buy button. So the first one is the receive button, so tap on that. And from here, you can choose what cryptocurrency to receive. So in my case, I'll just go for Ethereum and then choose the network. So let's say this one. And then you will now have your QR code address or your Ethereum address here at the bottom. So you can just tap on that and it will now be copied, and then just send it to the sender so that they will be able to send it to you. And then you would have the buy button. So tap on that. And this is where you can buy cryptocurrencies right here using USD, or you could also change that to other currencies. Like for example, European currency, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and so on right here. So you can just choose your currency, and you can also choose your cryptocurrency that you would want to buy right here. And you can always input the amount right here, and this is the amount that you will be getting. All right, so now that you know that, you can also tap here on sale at the top, as you can see. But in this case, this is only available for specific regions. In my region, it is not available. So now let's go back. And from here, when you select your cryptocurrency right here, for example, BNB, you will be able to see here that you have the arrows in the left side and arrows on the right side. So when you tap on the arrow on the left side, you would be able to send this BNB to other platforms. Like for example, you want to send this to your Binance account, then you can definitely do that. All you have to do is paste the BNB address right here, the memo, and the other details right here. So that is how you can send it. And then this is how you can receive the BNB right here. So this is basically the same thing on the receive button. And then that is basically it. You can also tap on swap, but we'll be discussing that later on. And now at the bottom right here, you can add more cryptocurrency if you don't have the cryptocurrency that you want listed right there. So you can always add more here. And now let's proceed to the second button, which is the swap button. So this is where you can swap your cryptocurrency. So if you would want to swap your Bitcoin to Ethereum, then you can definitely do that by changing it up right here. And you can also select the asset that you would want to swap with. So for example, you would want to swap your USDT to Ethereum. You can just do it like this and input the amount here on the right side. And then the next button is this one right here. So this is where you can buy and sell. We have already discussed this earlier, so no need to discuss this even further. And then the next thing is this one. So this is your profile right here. This is where you can see the settings, security, history, and so on. So yeah, this is basically where you can also see the referral program right here. So you can earn 20% of the trading fees when your friends swap qualifying assets. So that is basically it on the basics on how you can use Exodus Wallet. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.